they are the ones who will make us realize to love more and to understand more. Yung iba kasi, gusto nila, meron lang silang alone time with the Lord. Gusto nila one-on-one lang sila ni Lord. Ayaw nila nung may mag-i-interrupt sa kanila. Basta okay na sa kanila yon. Dapat naman talaga, meron talaga tayong time, alone time, one-on-one with the Lord. But God thinks that this is not enough. You know why? Ask me why. Because church is God's idea. And yung so-called interruptions na sinasabi natin, those are called holy interruptions. Pakisabi niyo, holy interruptions. Yung mga annoyances, di ba minsan naiinis tayo kasi, ano ba ito, nagsisimba, may nagdadaldalan eh. Ito yung mga taong nakaka-annoy, nakakainis, right? But these people, they are the ones who will make us realize to love more and to understand more.